third time in Tokyo, first time coming for business trip. So I really like Tokyo a lot because of the weather, of the shops and shopping, and I hope I can enjoy the rest of my trip here. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Anis Adiba. I'm from Rivra Pincas. We are from a company from Malaysia. This is my first time in Japan, in Tokyo. So it's a great pleasure to be here. Thank you.